All right, food lovers, gather round. Today I'm taking you on a meaty journey through the history of beef steak. Picture this, ancient flames dancing under a starlit sky with the tantalizing aroma of sizzling meat. That's where our story begins. Cooking meat over an open flame isn't new. It's as ancient as humanity itself. But turning beef into the succulent, mouth-watering steak we know today, that took centuries. Let's start in Europe. In the 15th and 16th centuries, beef steak gained popularity in England and France. The English word steak actually comes from the Old Norse word steak, which means roast. Imagine the bustling kitchens of medieval Europe, where chefs were perfecting their craft, creating the first versions of what we'd call a steak. But the story doesn't end there. Fast forward to the 19th and 20th centuries in America. Cattle ranching was on the rise, and so were steakhouses. This is where cuts like T-bone, ribeye, and filet mignon became household names. Each cut brought its own unique flavors and textures to the table, making every steak experience a new adventure. Today, beef steak is a global sensation. It's the star of many cuisines, loved for its rich flavor and versatility. So how do you make the perfect beef steak? Let's break it down. First, the cuts. Ribeye, sirloin, filet mignon, T-bone, porterhouse. Each one is a masterpiece in its own right. Ribeye is known for its marbling and rich flavor, while filet mignon is prized for its tenderness. Sirloin offers a balance of flavor and texture, making it a favorite for many. Seasoning? Keep it simple. Salt and pepper usually do the trick. But if you're feeling adventurous, marinades and rubs can elevate your steak to new heights. Cooking methods vary: grilling, pan-searing, broiling, roasting. Each method brings out different aspects of the steak's flavor. And remember, the doneness is up to you. Rare, medium rare, well done, it's all about personal preference. Now here's a pro tip. Let your steak rest after cooking. Just a few minutes can make a world of difference, allowing the juices to redistribute and ensuring a juicy, flavorful bite every time. And when it comes to serving, the possibilities are endless. Mashed potatoes, veggies, salads, sauces like béarnaise or chimichurri. Each side dish complements the steak in its own delicious way. Beef steak isn't just a meal, it's a culinary experience. Its robust flavor, satisfying texture, and versatility make it a timeless favorite. Whether you're in a fancy steakhouse or grilling in your backyard, the magic of beef steak is something to be savored and celebrated. So next time you bite into a perfectly cooked steak, remember you're tasting a piece of history. From ancient flames to modern steakhouses, the beef steak story is as rich and flavorful as the meat itself. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.